What are you doing? You're not a cat.
Question for people who don't like chihuahuas. Have you ever hung out with a chihuahua? Have you ever spent time with a chihuahua? Do you know a chihuahua?
You're not stuck.
¡Mamá! ¡Mamá! ¡El bolilla se está portando mal! ¡Mamá! ¡El bolilla se está portando mal! ¡Mírale la...
什么意思啊？他要拿勺子。
Najgłos. 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 Szczeniaczek, najgłos.
Come here. Hey, there's an intruder.
What's the most random thing that triggers your dog? I'll go first.
Let me see. Let me see the teeth. Let me go look at your teeth.
You don't get to use the doorknob. You're a dog. You have to use the dog door. That's why we got that for you.
Tá apertada?
Não, ó. Tá justa, só. Deita, neném. Go ahead.
No, back.
I think we get a video.
Good boy! Oh no, you're gonna hurt yourself. Back up. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Get it back. Brissa, get back.
Brissa, back.
I know you're scared, but we're gonna be best friends. You bet your butt. We are gonna be best friends.
Oh gosh, so dramatic. Okay, come on.
Go get it.
Good boy. Oh.
Two step. And particularly on the
Pound it. High five. Boop. Can I have a COVID? COVID? Can I have a achoo? Can you speak? Can you bang?
Alfie.
Come on, Alfie, up.
Oh
Oh no!
Hey.
Rooney.
Do it for less at Harbor Freight. Quality tools, lowest prices.
First of all, just like these distant roars in the dark, you know, and they start getting closer and closer, and that's what I thought. There was no bear.
So this is your favorite pastime now? Feeding like an individual kibbles?
Come here. I'm gonna crack this egg.
Hi, I'm just here to check in for my appointment.
That Dart? What are you doing? What are you doing?
No! Hi!
Sit down. Harriet Tubman. Butt crack. Funeral home.
Les bêtises de Volga. Arrête de tourner, arrête, j'essaie de te libérer. Bouge pas.
Gang, get the f out of my way, bro. I'm trying to do my schoolwork, bro. Get the f out of my way, bro.
Stay right there. You are a bad girl today. Abby, why was you a bad girl? No. Sit there. Why'd you go? No.
Don't pinch. Yes, good girl.
Sold over 50 million of these babies, and for a good reason.
Get it. Is he in there?
Marlon, come on. Come on.
Who are you? Dobby, sir. Dobby the house elf.
This is what I came home to. Hops! Are you a bad boy? Did you do this? Did you do this?
I don't want to, bro. I just want to watch TV.
Who did that? Who did this? Huh?
So
this is like once it's light, like you just feel it light, like kind of just like let it dry out and then beer water it.
We have to go take a bath. You have to go take.
Really?
Good morning, Maggie. Oh my goodness.
This isn't Charlotte. No wonder I don't feel as clean.
Here's Charlotte Ultra Strong. Look, it's done.
Time to go to bed. No, it's time to go. Oh, damn! Sweetie.
You okay. Lift your chin up again. Oh, I just love it for some reason. That's the spot. You're fighting asleep so bad. Oh my god. Can you see him through the oh, you lay down. Good boy.
Nope.
I feel like the overall feeling of the woman is that they're just not confident.
I'm trying to keep it simple, but I love not being simple.
The snakes, I wouldn't go too crazy with it. It's too spaghetti right there. Sometimes less.
Excuse you. Those are Ollie's birthday presents. No, you don't get to. Ow! Too much.
Wherever you want to get. Whatever makes you happy.
No, ¿por qué? Ist auch.
At what point are you gonna get? You get the sticks, you walk in between the cars, and you scratch the car. Stop with the sticks. Over there, over here in this beautiful area, you can play, but not over there. That's a brand new car.
Alright, let's go. You're taking this one off the bat, but when there's a will, there's a way.
I'm just gonna scooch in right here if you don't mind.
Are you tired?
You see that?
Are you tired?
Look.
Oh my god, bro. Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck, man? Get your ass on, boy.
Bear, are we sleepy?
We're gonna have shrimp cocktail today. Here you go. Mmm. You're a good boy.
Stai con prendere. Stai con per cá, stai con per cá. Per cá, per cá.
I'm just gonna scooch in right here if you don't mind.
What are you doing, buddy? Since when do you like being a cat?
Don't mommy kudos. Charlie, don't mommy kudos. Yo. Oh, yo, Joe. Hey, don't mommy kudos.
You need to go out again? Are you sure? Are you gonna go poop? Sure? Okay.
Hey, go! Get out of the way! Hey! Ah! 2319! We have a 2319!
Understood. Please remain.
You can take a small bite. Just bite the corner like this. Not funny anymore.
Oh no. Are you stuck?
No. 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 Walter. Oi. No. No. Whoa!
Hey!
No digging.
Hey, no!
Okay, so if there's 2 squirrels per tree, there might be more. And there's 50,000 trees. 50,000 times 2 is 100,000 squirrels. And I've peed on 10 trees, so 10 times 2, 20 squirrels. 100.
What? Huh? Ma! That's a wide stance, my guy. Super solid. No one's gonna tip you over.
Hands up.
Hallie, did you eat my yogurt? Did you eat my yogurt?
Buddy, on Mama's shoe.
You have to keep your arms down along the side, or if you want to spin your shoulders behind you, interlace your fingers, have your fists rest on your tailbone. On your next inhale, bring forward.
Kulağını yedim.
¿Qué estás haciendo tú ahí? ¿Ah? Pidiéndole comida a tu papá, que tú acabas de comer.
Oh.
Station noise.
Так добрий вечір буде. О, чиназис.
Let me tell you something.
You cannot stay outside all day. You can't. It's snowing and it's cold. Mommy let you go play in the snow already. You cannot stay out there all day. I'm sorry, you can't. Hey.
You know it's gonna be a good day when you get to work, and boom, there's a puppy.
Oh my God, what is that? Oh my God, what is that?
I'm a happy boy. I'm a happy boy.
Come here. Come here. Come here, Willow. Hold on. I'll hold it.
Look at this distinguished gentleman. Look at the way he is sitting. Yes, very distinguished. Mm-hmm.
Open the door. Open the door. Open the door.
Oh, yeah.
Ma'am. Ma'am, that is not ladylike.
Parkour! Parkour! Parkour!
What happened? Capone? We could have put you in it.
Are you hungry? Are you hungry, buddy?
You want a bath? That is funny.
You got pumpkins on your head. You do.
Maybe. You ready for your hot dog? Good girl. Wow, Melly.
He's so cute.
Hey, me.
Alright, shopping list. Bread, milk, pasta, eggs, mayo, cocaine. Just kidding.
Oh my god. Jock.
Jock, what are you doing? Jock.
Cordy Radio!
Really? Is that what you're gonna do? Yeah, that's a bad plan, isn't it? Yep, moving on.
Girls, who pooped in the kitchen? Sunny?
Lift your right hand high toward the ceiling and then back toward the back.
My niece is here.
What are you doing? I'm trying to make her feel better. Despite that pain. Except
Oh.
we have everything that the world has to offer.
Yeah!